Welcome to the Outlook 2010 video on creating categories in your email. Again, similar to rules, categories are there to create a little bit of structure to your email. It allows you to use color coding to focus on those things that are important and to categorize things into various categories and sections. So let's have a look at how we do this. Again, with most email functions inside of Outlook, you can just right-click a particular email, and from there you will see the categories option. Another way to get to that is also on the Home tab under the Tags group, you will get exactly the same options. So if we have a look at it, you will see I've already pre-selected a couple of categories and I've set them up for myself. You can choose one of those, or alternatively, if you go to all categories, it will give you a list of all the categories that are currently available. You can rename them, delete them, and change their colors. And you can also allocate a particular shortcut key. So if you get a lot of emails from maybe your budgeting officer and you want that to go into a category called budgets, you could set a shortcut key. So every time you get an email from that you would like to categorize as budget, you would just use the shortcut rather than right-clicking and choosing a category, which makes it a little bit faster at work. So what I'm going to do, just to show you how effective categories can be, is I'm going to sort my emails to my froms. And for example, let's have a look at all of my Amazons. I'm going to categorize that as personal. You'll see each email gets a little green block, and on the top of each email it says that it's in the personal category. Let's have a look here. Let's say consultant, we will categorize that as training. And let's say from TOSA, let's categorize that, just to give you an idea of how this works, as client meetings. So you can go and categorize all your email. Once you've done that, what's also quite nice is to right-click at the top here to view how your mail is arranged and to view it by categories. So now you will notice that if you go and collapse all your groups, if you have created particular categories, for example, to do client meetings, proposals to prepare, it gives you a nice way to start getting through your to-do list at the same time clearing your email. So you can go through all of these emails and you know what you need to focus on first.